Ever wondered what to do with leftover peanut bar? Today we're transforming them into crispy, nutty biscuit snacks with a delicate pastry layer. The base of this recipe is a simple peanut bar made with roasted peanuts, oats, chia seed, chocolate, cranberries, and honey. After mixing, we press it into a tray and let it set. Once firm, we slice into strips. These bars are slightly sweet with a nutty crunch and will form the heart of our biscuit snack. To turn the bar into biscuits, we start with shortcrust pastries. After rolling it out into a rectangle, we place the peanut bars on one side, pressing them gently into the dough. Then we fold the top half over to cover the bars completely. Once chilled to harden, we slice the dough into neat strips to create our biscuit bars. Into the oven they go until the pastry puffs up and turn golden brown. Give this recipe a try and turn your leftovers into something extraordinary. If you're a fan of crispy nutty treats like this, watch next my famous Emma's cookie recipe.